ago, and I was talking about a long position on ticker symbol AEMD, which is Athlon Medical. And for that reason, we were buyers of Athlon this morning at $6.25. $6.25. Now, it's not a long, we're not taking it for a long-term position. We're taking it from a scalp position. It's not a big position. There wasn't a volume for a big position. But it went $6.25 to $6.70 this morning. 45 cents on a $6 stock. It might sound like small change, but that's nearly, well, 8%, 7%, right? 7 or 8%. It's a great trade. Well, why did we know about that in Sunday's article? Do you know what I mean? We presented that actual trade in Sunday's article, and we talked about the process. And yet today, you could have bought that same demand area at $6.25 and taken the price up to $6.75. The same way as somebody like Wainwright's or Goldman's were doing on a regular repeated basis. It's not surprising anymore, but now you're starting to balance that asymmetrical disadvantage that every single one of you guys has got against the big banks, the big institutions, because you're never going to know unless you've got a hotline to somebody that's on the inside. You're never going to have inside information. You're not going to find it on a Forex Factory forum. That's bollocks. It doesn't exist. This inside information is guarded very, very, very carefully because it can carry huge prison sentences if something like this obviously developed out beyond. It's not going to be in a Forex Factory forum, especially somebody talking to 200 followers or something like that on Forex Factory. It's not going to be on Twitter. It's not going to be anywhere. Nobody will know about it. So therefore, you've got to try and find ways of being able to understand that asymmetrical information, and therefore looking for things that are likely to cause asymmetrical information, and then looking for the opportunity that falls after that is where edges exist, because certain trades need certain processes. I need volume. If I'm going to do the best business, I need to have that volume. That volume has to show up. Somebody somewhere will suss that out, and somebody somewhere will start doing things. And obviously, because of that, I'm going to be in a position whereby I've got to act on it or pass on the trade, pass on the opportunity. Just the same way as a job plot on the horses. I've got to act on it or pass on the opportunity. It's vital that you get to know these things, guys. Because if you keep forgetting about these elements, you're forever going to be the victim of these opportunities, not the recipient. And that's bad news.